stage is set. It's time for these young guns to shine bright. The superstars of tomorrow in action today. It's an India versus Pakistan final in the DP World Men's Under-19 Asia Cup 2025. We're coming to you live from the ICC Academy ground in Dubai. The energy will be high. All eyes will be on these young guns. And the officials, they've got a role to play in this contest as well. It's a big match for them as well. Kamruzzaman from Bangladesh and Ravindra Kotahachi from Sri Lanka, the two on-field umpires officiating this game. Vaibhav Suryavanshi. That big 171 from this young left-hander in the opening game set the tournament alight as far as the Indian campaign was concerned. At the other end, there was Samir Minhas from Pakistan as well, who got that big 177. And straight away had the batter feeling for that delivery. Zahoor was at odds and ends there.
And there's pressure. Yeah, this is where he launches, goes big, outside edge, and it goes for four. So the first boundary is at third man as Henal Patel takes the new ball from the other end.
Takes the aerial route, he's got height, doesn't have the distance. Is Miron going to come around? Aaron George drops it. I think there was always a doubt about whether Vedant Trivedi would go for that catch, or will it be Aaron George who'll go for it?
High balls are never easy, and the communication under the high ball is of great importance, and on this occasion...
Can breathe easy. Oh, he connects this time around. Does Hamza Zahoor and dispatches it. That's gone the distance, the first six of the match, the first six of the final.
Oh, he fares against the new ball. He likes to go big, takes his chances. That's the nature of the boy. And this time he makes a good enough connection, clears the boundary easily. The first six of the innings for Hamza and Pakistan.
Clipped away off his pads, and this is going to be four more over the mid-wicket fielder. Minhas not holding back here, taking the aerial route to clear the infield for four. Oh, well fielded. Superb effort. That's Kilan Patel in the covers. Much to the delight of the Indian supporters.
Yeah, this is brilliant from the fielder. This kind of effort just lifts the whole team. And we saw these, and the keeper running to him. And that's a brilliant save. He saved four.
Slashed away, but this will be four. There was width on offer. And Samir Minhas gets his second boundary in this over. Oh, that is tremendous. But has he got the distance on it? Got the height. And it's gone the distance towards the longest boundary. That's six for Hamza Zahoor.
What a great shot that is. Charges down the pitch and launches it. The onslaught continues. It's 31. And this is how he brought about this stroke. Use of the feet. And this pitch is easy paced. It's not looking like a Gabba pitch or not behaving like one.
Oh, the bat handle came loose. This could be a wicket. It will be a wicket. Ayush Matre, the captain, latches on to the catch. And this time around, Henal Patel tastes success. The Pakistan under-19 side lose their first wicket as Hamza Zahoor's got to go.
Once again, Hamza going after the ball, and this time losing the grip of the handle. And the ball just skied up. And an easy catch to the captain, Ayush. The first wicket in the fourth over. It's 31 for 1.
That's the left-hander who walks out into the middle, Usman Khan. 65 runs in the 4 matches before this, best of 27. The stars of today, the superstars. Oh, that's played away in the air, and that's going to be 4. Helping it on its way, Usman Khan. Kishan needs to find his line very quickly. In the air, the third man there has gone for 6. I wonder if he spotted the ball. The sun coming straight in his eyes. Henal Patel was struggling there, and that's gone for 6.
Indians would have hoped that it's an easy catch for the fielder, Patel down there. And he was unable to judge it at all because the sun was directly in his eye.
A bowling change being rung in by the Indian side. Dipesh Devendran, the leading wicket taker for the Indians with 11 wickets to his name in this tournament. Pulled away over the infield. He's picked the length early and pulled it on the front foot for 4. That's going to give him a lot of confidence. The 50 comes up on the board for the Pakistan under-9s. Clipped away. It was on the pads and put away. This ball might have the legs to take it over the ropes. It does. That's 4 more.
Punched away. Ayush Matre has something to chase and it beats him. Timing superb. Usman Khan looks in fine touch.
Another positive for Pakistan is Usman Khan. The way he is moving around.
Oh, he's taken the bowler on and sent it high in the sky. 6 of the highest order.
Glorious, glamorous. That's Samir Minhas for you.
Gorgeous. Simply gorgeous. Replay that again and again.
That is sensational stuff. Great weather to be out here at ICC Academy.
He's gone towards square leg. Just beat him. Samir Minhas with a stroke of luck.
We are just not worked for India. He must not be that worried as he's played beautifully. Oh God, he can play. This boy has so many shots all around the ground and he plays them with confidence.
That is a safe shot to play against the off spinner. So safe that it went along the carpet to the boundary. He is certainly one to watch out for. Sublime Samir Minhas has showcased his mentality, his tenacity, his talent at the biggest of stages. A 50 in the final.
And what a humble way to celebrate it. This shows that he's not done yet. The commitment that he's showing, that shows in his celebration. Samir Minhas.
Over the bowler's head. Swatted away. He can ooze class and sometimes he can pack a powerful punch. Fetch that, would you? Usman Khan is oozing some confidence as well now.
Yeah, where did that came from?
Again, the slog sweep. He's finding those spots and he's finding those gaps. These are useful runs and a very useful shot against the off spinner. Sweep. Just hitting it from outside the off stump, knows his spot. Going over the man at short square leg, so becomes a very safe option.
World Cup for them. That was against India, low scoring match, but look at that. Samir Minhas will go down to the boundary for 4. Expensive over that.
He's gone round the wicket, the usual angle he bowls. And he's done it brilliantly because he pushed the fielder back to backward square leg with that slog sweep and he opened up that short fine leg area.
Oh. He's been good. He tries to pull this. It's in the air. Fielder there makes... Oh! Just when you say makes a mess of it, he holds on to that in the second attempt. Ilhan Patel gets his man.
Well, I'm a little bit surprised about that shot from Usman Khan. Very, very surprised, to say the least, because there is a partnership of 92 of 82. Again, very, very ambitious, but he'll get a boundary. Just wants to kind of release the pressure with that shot. 139 for 2.
Once again, kind of scooping it or paddle sweeping it. And this is the second time that he's targeted that area. Tells you about his mindfulness of where the gaps are.
It's reverse swept and in the gap it goes. Another boundary to Pakistan. So everything going their way at the moment. Hussain decides to reverse sweep one after 4 consecutive dot balls, and he breaks through the pressure with this boundary.
Ahmed Hussain, because Khilan Patel has been very economical. Changed thing up, adds an element of doubt to the bowler as well.
In particular. Oh, this is smashed, and this will sail over. Majestic. This is Samir Minhas showing his class and his temperament. It's a big game, and he is delivering big time.
Getting to the pitch of the ball, his dancing shoes on, and as you said, simply majestic. Again, trying to give it the long handle, mistimes it, but it'll race to the boundary. That was just pure strength.
This is far better option to play in front of the wicket. Trust the pitch, because it's not doing anything. It's good for the batter, so you don't need to premeditate and go into a reverse sweep option.
That's gone towards the sun and beyond the boundary. Samir Minhas taking the captain on and getting the rewards. 28 done, 182 for 2.
Kind of chance Samir took on the last ball, he didn't middle it, so the heart would have been in his mouth, and plenty of hearts in their mouth in the dugout as well, as it was a close call. Lucky for him that it's a 6, and he moves to 97, and Sarfaraz, well, he puts a hand on his head and says,
The perfect example of rising to the occasion. The epitome of patience, talent and virtue today. Samir Minhas, a century in the final, a second in the tournament.
fabulous. What a way, on drive, down the ground, full face of the bat, and it really showcases the kind of tournament that he has had. Outstanding performance, and he thanks God, puts it head down, and thanks him to this 100, something that he'll remember for times to come, as the fielder puts in a poor effort. He just dives over the ball. He should have stopped it, not to be. The coach signals him. It's a happy dugout, and so is the man himself.
Samir Minhas out in the middle is the one to watch out for. He's got the second fastest 100. And overthrow has to pass him a boundary. Nothing going. India under 19 way. The worst of that is you see a fielder over there who's hurt his foot. What is happening out in the middle? India under 19 missing chances in the field. You had to throw at the wicket. You will say no one backing up, and the fielder who's backing up gets hit.
They've been dominant. They've been very authoritative. Down the track. Is it over? Yes, it is! Fearless, fabulous, fantastic. Samir Minhas. 30 done. 206 for 2.
Look at it, our cameraman. Look at that. Good connection, clean connection.
And Fadai, he didn't get it from the middle of the bat.
It's sixes. And they just keep capitalizing on the loose ball. That was there to be hit. And Samir Minhas obliges and sends it for the boundary. Again, this is in the air. Just chipped it. And that is good enough to clear the boundary. Another 6 off the bat of Samir Minhas.
Everything this young man is touching is turning into gold as he bring up the partnership to 100, courtesy to this.
Needed. Comes down the track. Samir Minhas, you cannot stop him. That's a maximum.
Yeah, smashing Samir Minhas. Fabulous. Look at those eyes wide open, focus 100%. Clarity in mind, perfection in skill, excellent execution, great placement, straight, great result.
It's those little margins. At this moment, he can do no wrong. A shot carved out by a sculptor.
I'll tell you what, it's an outstanding shot because just look at the length. Just keep an eye on the length. It's a back foot punch. He's picking extra cover. Yeah, look at that. High elbow. Getting the elevation. Look at where he pitches. Yeah, it's a back foot punch and he's playing it off the front foot.
Take nothing away from him. On a day where Minhas has been the protagonist, he is certainly the best support cast. A 50 for Ahmed Hussain in this final. Speaks volumes about him and his resilience as well. 254 for 2.
So that's what he's achieved in the tournament so far. Now this is one-handed. And it's cleared the boundary, I think. Yes, it's 6. Was not in totally control, but had enough legs.
It was short and to be hit. Swats it away. And he's been holed out. Khilan Patel finally gets the breakthrough. Anticlimactic, but Ahmed Hussain departs. Wow. Just wow. Some shots don't need words. You just need to see them and appreciate them.
Again, just look at the length. He's hitting it on the up. He's looking to charge him.
Frees his arms. Sends it for 6. Ends Khilan Patel's spell with that maximum. 40 done. 276 for 3. On what has been a gorgeous day for Pakistan under 19, it has been a gargantuan performance by Sameer Minhas. Raise your bat once more, young man. 150 in this final.
Amazing temperament, amazing innings. Obviously coming into this game under pressure. It's an India-Pakistan game like this. He's used the sweep shot very effectively against the off-spinner. And he's got maximum results. Outstanding knock. It's a special knock.
Work of art once more. He can do no wrong.
I'm just wondering whether it was a full toss or whether it was a half volley. Either way, brilliant execution. Yep, it was not a full toss, but it was almost a half volley. No, just over pitched. And look at how he goes over cover.
Boom! A second sun in the sky. That delivery deserved what it got.
And you don't bowl that when he's in this form. He's sighting the ball and he's striking it. And that's a gift and very well accepted.
The 300 is up with that. And Dipesh Devendran is very rattled.
Yeah, he looks rattled because if you look at the lengths he bowled, every time he pitched up, all he did was drag his length, and the mistake was that he gave him width with no fielders behind point on the offside. Over.
Is this it? Is this the moment? It is! It is! Finally! Finally, they see the back of the villain of the Indian under-19 hearts. Sameer Minhas. A brilliant innings of 172 comes to an end. And Dipesh Devendran gets his man.
Yeah, bowled a slow, rolled his fingers on top of it, deceived him. In terms of pace, definitely. He was expecting a pace on, looking to go over the top. But what an innings from this man.
Cricket, have fun. That's... Oh, was that a chance? Struck really hard. Struck fearlessly, struck for 4. The captain, Farhan Yusuf, is not holding back. He might have lost a wicket in the previous over of Sameer Minhas.